Good morning, folks. Jason Kennel with Concrete Floor Solutions. I wanted to do a quick video on this. To the best of my knowledge, I have searched high and low on YouTube, and I have not found anybody in the world that has done this. I'm sure somebody has, maybe, I don't know. But I'm reaching out. I want to find out if anybody else has done this to a floor and what you encountered. We ground and polished a shake-on metal fiber reinforced floor. These were popular back in the, I want to say 60s, 70s, where they actually took metal filings, broadcasted them on top of wet concrete, and troweled them in to reinforce the surface of the floor. So I'm going to show you what we have and the effect that we have on it. It's a 3D effect. It actually looks like a moving floor. It's very unique. I've never seen it in my life. So I wanted to give a close-up just to show the metal filings in here. Now this is already ground. I believe it was 400 grit, but you can see all the metal all over the floor. And this is not supposed to be a cosmetic floor. We're just simply trying to level this floor off so they can make it usable. But look at the motion within the floor. You can literally see an 8-inch elevation difference as you walk across this floor. It's the craziest illusion I have ever seen, and it is perfectly flat, but you'd never know it by this video or walking across the floor. But let me know in the comments if anybody else has ever run into this and how it turned out for you. So far it's cooperating pretty good. We've ground it with a medium hard bond metal diamond and used hybrid pucks. And right now we're up to the 400 grit. We're getting ready to do the 800 grit now. So the question is, has anybody on the planet encountered this? And I want to hear your story because this is a pretty unique one. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you're watching, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.